you very much. And I'm Sang-dal Shim from Korea Development Institute. I was a little bit late because of congestion way. What I'd like to present is the microfinance in Korea, small microcredit bank, and microfinance market in Korea. In Korea, around 30 private organizations are executing microcredit business funded by public and private donations. Since year 2000, private organizations began startup financing using private donations. And the scale of project expanded thanks to support from Ministry of Health and Welfare in 2005 and from financial institutions by establishing private micro credit foundations, which now became small microcredit bank in 2008. And the fund raised in the 19 organizations was 108 billion Korean won, and support amount is total 77 billion. Among the large private organizations, Social Solidarity Bank, which raised fund 25 billion won, and Hana Bank. Let me go back. So despite this effort, there was increasing demand for the micro funds. People with credit rating 7 or below is 8.25 million, but in 2008, recipients of microcredit is only 6,800. This is too small. This is sources from this sources supplied by small microcredit bank. Also, the numbers of microcredit organizations was so small, and there was accessibility for the ordinary users to the micro business was very limited. To address this, with the support of Financial Service Commission, private microcredit foundation is now reorganized into small microcredit bank, and which became the core of microcredit business. SMC has a major central office, has three major functions. One is general coordination, policy, credit policy guideline, education, concern, etc. And another is through public subscription, establishing management operation offices and forming and supporting this network. So plan is SMG is going to establish national network 200 to 300 offices in 10 years. And the last role is financial resource distribution. SMC provides microloan to individuals with credit rating of 7 or below, and government certified social enterprises. It has established so far 48 management offices nationwide, 15 local branches office, and 33 other offices established by corporations, financial institutions. It is operated primarily by volunteer workers and retirees from financial institutions. Even the CEOs are on a voluntary basis and honorary position. It provides 5 different products loans for franchise startups, loans for startup lease deposit, T-money deposit, operating loans, facility improvement loans, loans on registered businesses. So interest mostly are 4.5%, except for loans for unregistered business. For real poor people, it's interest rate 2%. With the establishments, SMC, Korean society has established reliable funding sources by donations. So, and there was, the plan is to raise more than 2 trillion won in 10 years. From corporation banks, about 1.5 trillion, and from individuals and dormant deposit at 0.7 trillion. After starting, there was some complaints about borrowers because the expectation is too high, and some adjustments made, and now some possible benefits of micro loans is confirmed, especially loans to treasury market merchants found to provide real benefit. Most important contribution of SMC is it increased public awareness on microfinance and has helped build a channel to raise social capital fund and the cornerstone to build necessary infrastructure. We used to have one community chest for charity, which is called Korea Chest. SMC is another community chest for social loan and investment. And now this system is building is building, and it's too early to make a diagnosis. But to derive suggestion, I need to make some comment on the current systems. First, Korea is different from other country that has so much success in microcredit business, mostly concentrated in Asian country. So in terms of urbanization and industrial development, and even the small and micro businesses are facing a lot of difficulty. So lending does not guarantee success and help them to move out of poverty. Another one is too much subsidy is being provided. Current interest rate is 4.5%, and it is too low given the high risk engaged in this market. And this low interest rate may cause moral hazard. Third one is selection criterion is very rigid by preset criteria. So SMC serve individuals only credit rating on level 7 or below, or government certified social enterprise. Fourth point is that it is too centralistic, micro. So our Asian AFI colleague mentioned that one big central office function has been faced problem in other countries. So it rely on voluntary workers, unpaid workers. I think too much for lending businesses. So to address first question about just lending not guaranteed, we need to build support ecosystem. I would suggest most important ecosystem infrastructure is the social ventures that help micro business owners in various ways, or social entrepreneurs social entrepreneurs create support bases for micro business owners. So this slide shows that the current system is just lending micro business owner, but the proposal is to build infrastructure, ecosystem, marketing, distribution, consulting, other supports that will make them more likely to succeed. One example is this is one emphasis shop. This shop markets and do the marketing and sales, provide channels, provides for small good business. Jungdae's Farm is a social venture selling organic fertile eggs to hire people in local community and to its profit for the community nearby. Emphasis Shop is selling these eggs produced by Jungdae's Farm. And because of this help of Jungdae's Farm, they are able to sell full capacity of eggs they produce. So they are now seeking expansion. Another thing is that maybe some of you see this mineral water is also is being sold by this emphasis shop. And so the idea is, even if you produce a good quality product, actually this one is I believe the best mineral water in Korea. But still, the brand is not established yet. But to the community, if the emphasis shop is trusted by the community can help sell this market. So this company that is selling this has been able to reach break-even point in 14 months. So this is an example. So if micro business owners produce something, if there is some marketing and sales channel is provided, they are more likely to succeed. Interest rate should be charged as AFI's example. So it is more market interest rate, more close to market. So current interest rate. Another. And one government should provide smart subsidy for the success of microfinance. So this is reference interest rate in foreign cases. Grameen Bank is 20%, Axiom USA is 10 to 16%, and in the Latin American country, interest is much higher. And recently, there was a conference about how to support social entrepreneurs in KDI. KDI sponsored the conference, and a representative of Community Development Venture Capital Association, Colin Testel, advised so government should provide smart subsidy electricity. Smart subsidy includes subsidy of operating costs by supplementing management fee and tax incentive for donation and investment. And one thing that he suggested was that government can supplement private capital for economy of scale, but government should not control, should not influence investment decisions. Examples: Community Reinvestment Act. Perhaps you are familiar. This investment act requires banks to serve community. They operate it, but they don't specify how to serve. Another thing is that rather than preset criterion, SMC should be operated on the basis of understanding of the clients. So knowing specific client situation can largely reduce financial risk engaging loans. It means knowing more than the numbers and client's status of credit status just described by financial system, but it means understanding and having them ongoing relationship with them. During the subprime financial crisis, Bank was doing well, although it was engaged in lending subprime loans. And the founder, Jin Hawks, simply said, "We know our customers." And autonomy of local management offices should be enlarged so that management office should be to respond to local financial needs creatively, not bound central control. So one thing that I'm just concerned with is even the SMC here is that the CEOs are on an honorary basis. So committed professional relationship managers should be enlarged, and all the available resources of RM available in the country should be utilized. Currently, borrowers can receive consulting service once from small and medium business development center, but services should be provided answer from local offices on an ongoing basis. So full-time devoted workers are essential. And also this kind of role is played by social entrepreneurs. I think this area is really building the capacity of the sector and raising committed professional RM, and is the area where governments can provide subsidy, smart subsidy. So, as I mentioned, that existing capacity microfinance providers experience should be used as much as possible. I'd like to summarize. So build support ecosystem and charge sustainable interest rate. And we know about our client business model, autonomy, and committed professional R&D. Finally, so active support in addition to lending is needed. Ecosystem, including marketing and sales channel, providing that kind of ecosystem is essential for the success of the micro enterprises. And I'd like to emphasize social entrepreneurs play a central role in the ecosystem, as SMC should consider supporting social entrepreneurs. RM is also important. Finally, since the SMC is playing the central channel for raising social financial capital, SMC should support all kinds of social ventures as well as micro business owners. To build this channel, I think collaboration among the various players, governments, corporations, and citizen sector organizations is important. No one player should dominate. Thank you very much.